I must leave this message, whether they like it or not. Where is the other of my phone? Where is the other of my phone? Oh my word. I must leave the message. Whether I like or not, I will leave her. Ambassador of fake life, oh. You don't want me to leave this message for you, Abby? You don't want me to leave it for you? I must leave one. I must leave one. That call I need to pick, and so my video spoil. Ah God. Video what do they do? I run come for. I need to run come house. Hi God, I don't throw what I want to do. If I will do test me, I quick just drop her. I see they hot. I see they hot. Oh, how you go? That video pay me. Oh, that message is supposed to don't reach Ambassador of fake life and since. Nobody not coming with this line again. I just go beg you. Ambassador of fake life. You know when I leave the message, I must leave her. If you like, curse me. If you like, curse me. If you like, curse me. Alright. Guys, sorry guys. Good afternoon. They made the video cut just now. And I want some people. Make una not there. How many times I go talk? Don't attach my name with motherfuckers. Okay? No, anybody, if I see any comments of your sister or your brother, I will curse you. I will curse your generation. I don't talk. I know. Don't just attach me to dead bodies. Don't just try it. I have warned people severally. They know they hear this message now for Ambassador of fake life. Simple as ABC, alias Monekia. Simple. What you call they had there? They do my video yours now. Let me first show today. They do my video yours now. Call spoil my video. And I need to drop this message for Ambassador of fake life. Don't drink Baileys today. Don't drink Baileys. Those of you now don't want to be Baileys. Make I show now. See, now it be this one. Monekia put this video for YouTube, for YouTube. You know, this Baileys, he put on for YouTube. I just want to tell and say, make you no drinker, beg. No drinker, because I don't want at the end of today when your baby they do birthday, then the next thing we will begin to hear now. Monekia don't peace for us again. He don't peace for body. They'll come they share the video. I beg you, know what thing happen. Anytime when you drink Baileys, you will know what thing they happen. You hear now? This Baileys, yeah, this one don't drink and finish. You know the inside again. I hope they come back from where I go do things. I don't post today. Waist trainer. I don't want to collect money. Another money was supposed to collect today. I don't feel collect them. So later in the evening I'll go collect that one. But quick one. Now Baileys. What is it called? This message now for Ambassador of fake life. Monekia alias Monekia, aka Monekia. I beg, not drink Baileys today. Today will be your son birthday. Don't drink Baileys. Not just let them spoil them. I just go beg you. No come let later na video of say Monekia don't peace for body again. Now will come see they see for social media. You don't go buy that Baileys. I know say you J-boy not they drink because they never reach the age when they take they drink. Monica not they drink. Your daughters, no one don't reach the age when we say they drink. Whether you bought them here, they still be small picking. And you tell us clearly, we see me I go find that video. When you for talk and say that if you drink Baileys, you know because you drink Baileys, so now make you come peace, so you be not the peace before, money you be not the peace before. okay, I feel your pain, I understand, I know. But now to avoid those kind of embarrassment, because you be woman, you know good. They say if now man now they feel they share man, oh man not to, you know, if embarrassment they come for man, not be say good though, but if they come for woman, you know they too much they good, Emma, When they embarrass woman, when they share things, all those kind of embarrassing things for woman, saying you don't peace for her, so you don't peace for all he was that stigma never come out. Or my line, no add fresh one. My problem now, the problem when I all get now, what's it make me when you can't do this? You never drink the belly, so I say for you to be, you never drink her. Monica never drink her. Now I make me when you come quick. I say you see him. I can say no, Monica, you don't have to drink that bellies. No drinker, no drinker. Let's go beg. Monica, I need them. I beg you. You are the way. I need that for you. No drinker, yeah. I beg. Yeah, do not drinker. Because many people will come there today. They will come use another photo video. They will use another photo video. Any slice thing, drink water. You put the water for. They turn the water more they see. You know, say gin, dry gin. The white, yes, dry gin the white. So buy new can of water, open na, pour for cup, glass cup, you know. I beg I do. If you like cursing, if you like, you know, not one of your business. For where. Yeah, we no ka mwezo, no ka mwigbina, o ka mwezo. Yes, no ka mwigbina, o ka mwezo. Me, yeti mwigbina, o say na wa mwezo na. O say na wa mwezo. I like you. You not be my enemy, oh. You not be my enemy. You not be my enemy. And you be woman. You be woman. Cause and when you do that video for YouTube, when you put that bed list, you know what more you really people don't see they talk. Monica, I see some comment for them when they say Monica won't see drink bed list today. Oh, Monica having with bed list. Oh, why you were there now? Monica won't see drink bed list today. You know people can't. Anytime they see you see bed list now problem. Anytime anybody you see say Monica bring bed list come out now. You know what? Why you want? Or why you be now? German facility come out yesterday. They say the Monica the PCPC for us. Every now PCPC for us, that stigma still there. And na PCPC for everybody you can talk na Monica the PCPC, and you be not be PCPC for us before. You know you be not be PCPC for us. You know. So because if you drink Baileys and you don't sabi drink, and you talk I don't know what you can push you that day when you can't go drink So today. Don't drink it. If now prophet now you will need to pay. You will pay this prophecy word when they give you so. If you not take and you peace for us, you peace for body, Monica. In short, if what I will do you anyway, if they bring any video at the end of the day, to say Monica, because you never drink you never drink now later in the evening now you will drink you never drink So for you not to drink for you not to drink and then make me your can say, I see some comment people don't they wash, they don't they open eye, they don't they wait say anything. If you take one cup like this, they don't. I see comment when you did that live video. I see they here worrying with Baileys because the year 1964 when you drink Baileys, we know what happen. We know we all think everything fall out, everything fall out, everything you can there everywhere. The shirt when you wear, who you're here, who were why here. The shirt when you for stand up everywhere, you peace puto. So no try today, no your drink, no drink. I will suffer leave this one. Make the shirt and you go give you. If you now want those when we say that they carry the good ones, the lovers of Monica, make una tell and make you not drink. Because not be every time disgrace shame and disgrace all they follow now. Oh, you know good like that. Emma. Moku they try to be our brother's keeper. If you see say person they go way when you know good, you see him. You see him say this place when they go so. and where he go want a peace for us. No, your call and tell and say no. I know say many of una dey pretend say una love am o, una not love am o. Una dey pretend, una dey wait again make it peace for us today again o. Una dey wait after she don't drink the full bottle now. She'll begin misbehave, she'll begin peace for pants, pitch for the cloth where you wear for live video there. I know say na enough una dey wait o. Now they pretend I love you when me I love you. Call her now. Call her now. If you watch this video, call her now. Tell her say, I say make you not drink her. To avoid bass and boss, to avoid scandal today because sorry Monica wala. Because if they hear any small thing again now, come out to the one we never finish. The one we never finish, when we all see everywhere, we see the same. We song they put for you. Auntie when mumu. Oh, start see auntie. See auntie when mumu. This one, I will not know what they will put. You know, as people they will put music for you. The music will fit you. You know? Yeah, they do the video. When they do the video today, they cause Jama first lady in law. No one of me. If you like una hit una self, una like una curse una self. Na saga na. Una tell the no problem. No problem. That one no your concern me. No be that one make they look oh. Now that belly is where you put oh. And some people, I see some smart people when he see and when he sight that belly, they can say, hey, Monica won't drink bellies again. Monica won't drink bellies again. Monica won't drink bellies again. And we know if he drink bellies, what thing they happen. I could your side the comments. Hey, now say Monica, we need no. We need to warn her. Because there's a dog where you no there wrong. If you see stone when they come like this, you don't need to blind your eye. No. And they can't be say, they can't spoil my first video. They know say me, I want to avoid something, they can't spoil my first video, can't spoil, or I can say no. God say make I do this video. And I must do it to save a sister. Yeah, now my sister, na woman. Because it's so embarrassing to see a woman. Or they pose, even me, or they laugh, you know, good. So, no, to avoid that kind of thing, that make me say I must do this video, I must do it. And if you there, you not share it. Not good though. You should be na bellies be your topic of today. I tell you say they leave message for person when they won't see God disgrace later. We know if you dream bellies waiting she they do. You know if you okay, you know they follow Monica. Me I they watch all of them. I they use my scroll they watch all of them like this. Yes. You know? No, I'll be Monica fan till tomorrow. Lolo, all of them. Me I not get no be all of them. So dead body they went no. I say all of them no. So dead body they the born throw away they no be those ones. Guess one way man when be say yes. If you watch the video on YouTube and you read the comments, you will see when people side the bellies too. Not be bellies with my topic. No, not let me concuss you. I know that they hate nonsense. Why be say if they talk better thing? Why be say they talk better thing? The people they were not whether than spirit they be the viewer self. So there's some of them. If they talk better thing or they talk about another thing. If to say person tell Monica that day when she drink belly, they begin peace for body, no drink and see what it will happen. If you say she go do one, she not go drink her. If person advise her for that drink when he drink that day, he said see shame and disgrace when he go come mad for this thing oh, not do one. She not go do one. If na pastor now, una go na native doctor now, they go. See something like this for person, una know they see. Even the pastor, they blind. Don't want me. I have a call pastor in yourself. No be bellies me top. Now just short message, share and give her. Let them see her. Yes. Let them see this message. Just give her, send her to her. Say me, moi. Yes. She know me well. And I'm my friend though. Monica na my friend. I'm a very good friend. She know. She dey beat me oh. And I say me, I no go beat her. I go only they give her. Anytime I see say stone they come. Anything we go, you know, I go avoid them for her. Yes. Now what thing I talk. I know beside they beat her. I know they beat her. I wish I know say that time when she drink and say they will come the embarrass her for Facebook when they call her here you. I for avoid them. Yeah, that's me. No, if I see anybody, if I say evil, they come for person. Me, if I know how to stop her, I will stop her. And I don't want I can't they do. Oh, they talk about Ivie. They say na Ivie they talk say bon trowe. Ivie o good. Ivie ma. Me I like Ivie. Or Ivie wa ma. Those when know the bon trowe when I talk. So no be Ivie they talk. Ivie no I like Ivie. Your Ivie ma. Ivie good. Ivie bath. Ivie Nivie. No, is doing well. Or Ivie wa ma. No be Ivie. No they. Now so now they cause they do something. Person they talk something now they talk another thing. Simple drop message. They will begin bring another thing. Well, anyway, I not go mind the comments now. I not go mind the comment. Me I all drop the message. Share and let make una carry and make everybody share and go meet Monica before she never drink the belly so now later she want enter live video. So as I see comment, I not comment oh, I only watch, but I can't look comments. I can't see when so they write and say Monica wants to drink Baileys today. I oh my eye, you're Satan. You know, with so many people do they Monica now say okay. I know they come out from my side and say I need to quickly drop this message for her. Yes. Now make me they do one for us yours now. The video no can't enter the video it end. No, nah, view if Monica, if with that saga, it cause in a German festival, they made the start saga. With that saga, Monica no go fit. She no go fit stay. With that saga, Monica is no Monica. Monica na a saga in yari right no manly so may she do no problem if they like the cause each other. Me, I see the message when I listen. What did she they talk? She they talk many things or they cause now. When they jama face the omuye, or when on the omuye me they cause each other. Yes, we born I been now. Live video you can't day now to cause me cause everybody day has the so waga roy so got fianya gbe so got ten so they go do the nake with me I know they see her show. Now so they go you juju now so they go no na yours na normal talk. Anything when anybody use the man talk na normal talk. If you they take a personal, you are your own no, not be personal. And then egbe ara do we. Mercy Johnson, Ivie better pass that the it better pass that name when you come. So now egbe na that way, you know they like insults. Why you open live video? Why you going to do live video? Live video, anybody like this with the one they do now. They go share and now. Everybody will carry on now. They'll begin insult me. See this one. If body they pay you, no come live video because the insult when you go receive you go too much. I like they see some people they don't like insult. They not like me that they insult their father. They not like me that they insult their mother. Then you come they come live video they do tafia. Oh God. Just relax, sit back and relax. You go see insult, you go tire. They go insult you, you go tire. And there is nothing you can do about it. Come my house, come beat me now. You know if you go to person, I'll go beat her. Now rant, you will rant for Facebook, you will rev. When money can rant. Or is a rant? I hear your why I ain't there. I told you your why not be end the thing. Not be a here white end. When he rant, all the ranting when he rant. Not be a here white. She my disgrace in okay later. So me, I dey leave this message for Monica. Make their hair will not repeat itself. Make the thing not your repeat itself. Now it be my own today. I know that as I see that I say I need to drop like 10 minutes video. Yeah, 10 minutes video. Oh, say 19. Just say, oh my God, this now so they fast. This thing you say you won't go at 10 minutes before you know. It don't care. A live video now, if you're there before you know the thing they fast. Oh my God. Me I quit true. I never eat. Me I forgo eat. Or in winner. Monica waiting your money. Me, you wanna me moeji here. I put on for year. Then if I will drop a line winner, me, you would in winner ready by. In winner, hoga. And I bobo come to do winner ready by very now. I know yours, and I know fito. I mean, winner, I come one, what we drop and what we have. I see the hot. Ojo, I beg. No, that statement when you made, I beg. If you know they, and I don't say they carry video where. You know they carry the video when I tell they insult people when they call. I say I not get brother, I not get sister. I bury them. No make anybody when I say commenters, both commenters now what they swear for. I beg. Okay? For me, if you better pass some people. No be say it just no be say if you no be say I dey fear anybody. There are some people in it that there are some dead body when I know want the when I know just like to the call at all dead body. I know just like to the call. So if you call them, I will tell you if the person if you better pass. You know, so that just it. I beg. If you call anybody, my sister, I will insult your generation. No, you're trying. No, just trying. And that one will be my problem with so many people for this live video. Saga no will ever finish at all. Especially for that my side. Yes, you know will finish. Curse me. See, anything you want to do, curse me. Anything you want to talk. But not add anything, sister or brother, to my name. That one, I they forbid them. As you see me, so I they forbid them. And if you like, come here, Ashewo. She no get work. And me, I don't do my own this morning. And anything you want, like, call. No problem. I no go verse. But you see the one when I the verse put. Now that one when you write your snap. No. Don't make that mistake again. No make I do video never too long again. See one people about and two. I beg, don't try it. That's that. So I will be make una share now. Now no one make it reach your hand. It's now one make it be the second time I be make it be second time I hear your word. They'll come they talk and they 2 times. They first say the first one a mistake. Oh, what you can't do this last one now. What you can't do this one now? So then make me quick come. This message very, very importante. Es muy importante para me as a woman, as a human being, especially when we say get feeling. Yeah, they get feeling. You know, true to God. You know, believe me. I tell one of my friends when he send the video for me, I tell her, I say I feel for Monica. Because that mood when she did, if person don't drink now, you don't know. And people when they take advantage. Now then you see some people they'll still rape you. You know. If person did that mood, you know they do on the right sense. You understand? When they don't do anyhow. I feel for her. Because this is not supposed to happen to this woman. But it don't happen. As I see this stone when they come again, and I say no, I need to prevent this one. Yes, I need to stop this one before the thing escalate again. So I beg. Say this message, you give and direct before she go drink and before I dey repeat and before she go drink and later. Because now later if she drink and later for J boy. First, happy birthday to J Bobo. The J Bobo. The J boy, happy birthday. Age with grace. You know, you will live long 100 years more. You will celebrate so many years, brilliant year. The grace of God will rest upon your life. J Bobo. That one I feel happy birthday to the boy. Now fine boy, yes. Now fine Bobo. So make Monica not can use in drinking, pissy for us. Stay spoil that J Bobo birthday today. Now I can say okay. What you happen today again? Now to tell Monica say. Make you know your drink and make you know your taste the Baileys. Make you drink only water. Only water will be good for our system. Yes, water will be good for our system. Monica no be my enemy. If you like, go they talk and say Monica, who they find Saga, they find this one. Now you know that one because if I define Saga, Monica, me and Monica don't fit talk. Me and Monica will be friends though. Just that she can't hate me now because she can't hate me well. Now my personal person, I'm a very good friend. I see they want something. Now my person, no, not beside the fence Saga, they want Monica. No, y'all leave Monica. Leave Monica. Y'all leave her. Now my y'all leave her. Y'all leave her. If she like, she insult me. If she like, she they find because there's one video when she do for Instagram. She said she they find my secret when she will take curse me. But y'all leave Monica. God knows, say the work when I can't do so. Now very good from good heart. Now I can't drop. So this video now the good heart not be evil. It's not made for evil. Now to avoid that, make them not come they call and pissy for us again. Yes, the only one where they see they call. So everywhere pissy for us. I hear you what. Asomi Soga, you know, all the name they call anywhere when you go pissy, ambassador of fake life, you know, the everything. I can't think if they come out the second one join and call. No, that one go worse. Okay, IT, what you go do, Nana, to go tell and say, no drink this Baileys today. Even if you won't drink later. If now another day, no spoil J boy birthday. Me they come talk say Monica drink for J boy birthday. You can't peace for us again. You can't peace for body again. Cause if you stand up now, and if you sit down for that your live video, Monica not stand up. If you stand up, people will want capture, take picture everywhere. Monica had never talk bad about me. I no hate Monica. I no hate Monica. No, I don't want to tell them miss her. The time when I felt verse for Monica, when I felt verse for her, that one don't finish. You see you now, una don't know anything now. They jump into conclusion. Before I can't do that video, that time when I can't they talk to Monica, you know what she do. Now she felt cost me now. Not be make me call the curse her. Now Monica felt cost me for Instagram. Una know they follow Monica for Instagram. I do not they follow her for YouTube. Una know they follow her for Facebook. Now they talk. See you now. Now Instagram for seeing that but she cost me. That one don't finish. I not did that one again. When she called the video when I do, she called this and they cost me. You see you now. You say Monica never cost me. You see you. If you swear, and I go kill you. Go there. You know now. They don't not they like to they swear for person. Not they like to they deny for person. For but you don't know what the person don't do. You see you. Know something fair before you they talk. Don't just they talk because you're mad. You know. So don't do that next time. This one when I they do so. Now to prevent time. Now to prevent something. Why una do turn person good? Now won't kill her for you good. Why una like that thing well? Why? Okay, later now. Okay, as I say this message given now. People they write them for and you know what the video today. Oh, you know they watch Monica. You know they follow. You never me. I don't subscribe for Monica YouTube. It don't take. You know all the YouTube, the family. I they subscribe. I they follow one. I even for long, anyone when any one of the night they subscribe to Fidama First Lady you, Kakabon, which one? Ivion, Stainless President all of them. So you know they follow them. You don't know what thing. You not look the video today now. You don't know how the thing take play. You can't they talk. People they comment say Monica does sample Baileys for YouTube. Say she won't begin drink Baileys again today. Say she will peace for us today again. So people they look video, they know they look comments. You see, because she just sample because Nigeria or something. If something don't happen to you, anytime they see you see that thing again, they'll say you won't begin peace for us again. As they all see that Baileys, they all sight and they say, hey, Monica want to drink Baileys again today. more they wash. You know? Now I say, no, I need to prevent it. I need to tell and say, no drinker. People will won't begin use satellite, you know, men scroll. Look you well now. No drinker. You not look, no they tell me. If I they talk, no they tell me. No, now what thing I see now they talk, okay? I want to avoid Oviere, make Oviere no peace for us again today. Now a day. So if you not like and that one on your own headache, me I they do it for good will, for you know, good will. Now they do this video. Make them not begin sharing later say she don't peace for body again for the second time. You know they hear. Why are you not hearing me? I beg, you know how they change person. Why do fear with the young? Because when I told all these commenters, when they change something for person matter, why fear ya with here before you know everything go feel with here. I just go beg una. You always share the video, make it go reach in hand. Share the video 100 something there now. None of them don't share. How many people don't share now? I the message you want to call Richard. How she want to hear say I say if she drink today, they will begin to look and say she want peace for us. Say they don't I hear when the stigma that one fed there. The ambassador of fake life when they give one that one and number one. That fake life ambassador Monica, that one we know of me. I know follow Monica drag that one. Now ambassador of fake life. Now she carry on this year. Now she carry the award winning ambassador of fake life. You know that one. If you not like na cost me, nobody will change. Now Monica you carry your money. Your money. Now Monica carry that one. So that's it. If you like, curse me. I've leave my message. Share the video. Let her see the video. And know if Monica sees her, she will thank me. Monica will thank me. You know why? Because I can't hold fight. I can't hold fight. Monica will thank me. She's going to thank me for this video. And if you like, not say thank me. I don't need your thank. If you like, not thank me. If you like Monica, not thank me. So far, I don't do God done. Yes, I don't do God done. And God will pay me. Okay? God bless you. Share the video, make it reach in hand. Shoo. Look, na share and I beg I do. What guess so? If one of my sure I proclaim that my brother when he do yours now, what he be name again? You know, get nobody tell you say Monica will pick my call. Monica not they pick my call again. Monica they call person. Who be this one say my invite again? Monica they call person. Hey Monica to your man. You don't see when Monica call person say you go come say me advice and you hear and you know they hear and say she they talk and say she know they call. Say now this Facebook. If you win not be presenter, you feel go call Monica private. Me I no go call. A Monica tie. When Monica use my video, when I do video, Monica call they cost me for Instagram. Monica not call me. And she not even say she would advise her. Now later she come they advise her. She know they call. Not tell me say make her call her beg. You call her by me, you call her. You hear? You feel call her, me I know they call. Now Monica na social media person. Na social media person eh. Any message when I won't leave, I will leave on. I'll still leave on for the social media. So now she they pretend say she know they wash. She they wash. I mean the Monica again. Oh why again here? Oh baby care. Monica they look. Oh, she they come my page. She will see look on. But if you did live video, she know they wash. And later she will come. She will wash. So no feel say she know they wash. You call her. I say I no go call her. Vero. I say I no go call her. Why I go call her? When Monica na social media person, why I go call her? Why would you want me to call her? Monica know they call person. She won't give her advice. Me I no feel see call her. Now this Facebook, now social media person for goodness sake. If you won't leave message for social media person, you will leave one for the same social media. If now my personal person, when they do social media, I will call her. You know, I will call her like this, say, hey, guy, not drink today. I don't hear several times when Monica they talk say, she no go call, why she go call person, why she go call and say, won't call the talk to her. No. She said na live video she they drop there. So, say with me. as a social media person, I will say drama for live video there. The advice, you are get view. You are get view. What do you write, Vero? What are you writing? Maybe they write what they write way. Use Monica. No, I not get view. I not get. If I do my live video sometimes, I get now or something. Not be Monica. Not be Monica. I not get view today. Though. Not be Monica. I want to get view. Okay. Monica, don't use my video. Do me now. Let me repeat one thing every time. Monica, they use people they get view. Monica, they do saga to get view. Monica, they do saga to get view. All of them, when they Facebook, they do saga, they get view. Everybody, when they do saga, they do things to get view. To get, you know. So forget that thing. Forget that thing, okay? So, Monica, my sister, my friend, I don't live my own, no. If you hear, you hear. But make I not enter live video later. I come here say Monica, they say she peace for body again. Make una save the video. On that time, I come no say this girl firstly talk. But I pray make it not happen. That's my prayer. That's why they leave the message. Make it not happen. And he mention my disgrace no enter your body again because you be woman. You be woman, I know will like make disgrace they call your body every time. So thank you. If you like, you curse me. If you they curse German first lady. German first lady will say come, I will say curse you. That one first curse you anyway. Because I see the video when you say you they do. You can't the analyzer, Monica, you not curse her. You say you know go curse and say she first curse you, you know go curse her. But I can't see German first lady, you German first lady, they curse you. So you go see come so now so the saga they do. Now they curse on herself. You see say me talk about the curse one and the curse on herself. No, because I know say na normal. Now what you tell you only wayari if Facebook. I know say that one na normal for una. For us. Make I add myself. Make una curse on herself. No problem. The one when I see for inside, when I say okay, may I can't drop the message at the Bailey's home. Yeah, and the belly so now I say okay, me I can't quit drop the message. If I like una shop now, we take consign me. I know say now only Facebook una go rant. Nobody they go anybody house to go fight. You don't say anybody can't go meet person. They can't fight for this social media. Even all the viewers, some people when they say they will beat you, they say they will beat you. You don't see the one way with that. Now Europe said the one with the Nigeria, and they say they won't beat. How you carry a beat person? If anybody drop any video. Now you can't know. I not be good person, now you know. I not good. Now Monica good. Hello? Hello? Hello, good afternoon. Okay. But you say they watch me now. Now Sarah.ntv show. Now I did live video. I just say you they watch me now. I did live video. Okay. Now be because I felt do video. The video call come me. The video can't cut. So I all run reach as I all come as I can say me and do am again. I need to drop. Okay, now I didn't now. So why you don't know the name? Now Sarah.mtv show. SESAROAH. Then .mtv show. If you like and follow, you will see. If you like and you follow me anytime when I did there, you will see. And only if you don't like, you know. Like and follow the page. Now you be bad person. If you call me bad person again, now you be bad person. No, you okay, you won't write that thing. You say I be bad person. You not share Monica video when she take peace for us. Me, I not share her. I not share her for my wall. You not share her. You not share her. Una the wait make something happen first. Then before una will say una will na make na joy. You not share her. Who did this? People will say you not share that video. You not share her. Even if you not share her for Facebook. You not share her for WhatsApp. It be like, no, I not share her for Facebook. It be like say I share her for WhatsApp. Only one person I share and give. I share her. I don't feel like I know they lie. I share her for WhatsApp. I not share her for Facebook. And I not see share her like now only one person now and only one of my friend. Now I share and give. May God forgive me anyway. You not share her for Facebook. You be bad person. You be bad person. Leave my be bad person. If money can see this video, she no go vex for me. Yes, she no go vex for me. So watch the video from the beginning. If you never watch and share and give her a beg, tell her say me, more she know me. Say I say make she not drink today. Make they not be equal they sing the following. If you like, you comment. If anything you like, comment later. I beg. Anything you like, cost me. But one thing when I say make una know they do, I no get sister, I no get brother. And that one, if una fit do that one, I will they okay for this Facebook. If not, anytime when I will do video, I will they cause those people when they write and when they talk. Yes, I will do video concerning that one. That one, you need to stop. If you want cause person, why you not for your cause person direct? If you want cause, why you not feel cause me direct? Call my name, cause me. And because the cause when you want cause, let me say they reach where I do. Nothing. You never know. You not get what they do. But not just add my name to anything. Dead bodies, no. That one, no. I no agree. So God will bless you. What are they talking? I say, Monica, for the views, when Monica they do saga, if Monica not do, you know, there was one time, 1 week like that when we say Monica not do saga, she said she won't do her thing. She come the I see Anna Monica before we just meet start to do Facebook. I enter this live video. Monica come they get 600, 700. But now when Monica enter saga again, hey, mommy Monica is back. Yes. Because if Monica not do saga, forget Monica. One more thing. You don't forget, say you know go do saga again. I beg, throw away that one. You will need to do saga because if you don't do saga, who may viewers in? You will may viewers in. Not be like in me. As me this, so if anytime I will get 20, I feel get 60, I feel get 100. The manager like that. But if you no get 1K, 1K, 3K, people will come they laugh you. You know, people will they laugh you. You know, so do your saga. Do. May you and Jama first lady make una. You can't they talk one thing. Another thing we talk say. Those when they use YouTube money they feed. The last time I checked, now YouTube money, 9 money can they feed. Now YouTube money. I also now you one. Yes. The last time I checked, now YouTube money, now YouTube. So make you know they cost people when they use YouTube money they feed. Cause now you say they feed. That one me I see get problem with you for there. You know, you talk that thing for the video. No, they talk cause where you go. Okay, they do her journal. The YouTube money where you feed. Without YouTube money, you self go die. Saga must continue. And the viewers, me when they talk and say, I like and make continue. Because I thought talk with their fake life, with all the fake life going on, nobody say go stop. So make it continue. Why they pretend? Why the viewers on they pretend? I know they pretend. If it stop, I will say like her. But me, I know say it no will stop. They no will stop for saga. Because if they stop for saga, they no will get viewers again. Hello. Yeah, contribute. I'll quick drop the video anyway.
I just want to for this issue of what happened for Monica on this afternoon. I know I not be a fan, no, I not be a Lolo fan, no. Likewise, Jama First Lady, all of us here, we viewers and commenters, we just look there. You understand? I know something Monica do with Jama First Lady do not good. My sister, if you really look this very issue, you go just know say now Jama First Lady now find trouble. I know say Monica don't say I beg, you reach Norwich. You insult your husband mama, you don't go feel leave you now when you know say your husband mama already dey social media. They want to use and shine. Anybody when insult now, they go carry that woman leg come out. My sister, that thing happened yesterday. Sorry, as it happened yesterday, Africa Drama First Lady for yourself lock everything up. Since it already insult Monica that afternoon, why she can't come out for nights? They insult Monica.
Yeah, she can't come out for nights. I can't see and she can't write and say, ambassador of fake life. They call person PC for us. She failed to ambassador of fake life. She can't do PC for us again. Monica be no insult and when Monica do yesterday afternoon. No, Monica be no truth. No, say me. I watch her.
I be against Monica.
Yes.
You understand? My sister, sometimes when you give people privilege, they take an excess. I know the woman don't get bad name of all those things when they happen. I know me myself, I have never called Monica. I know they call her.
Okay.
But this particular issue, what the African last lady do? See the way Vera use and shine for YouTube.
Hey, that dead body name, no, they call her for years. No, I don't want to hear that one at all. That dead body name. If Jama First Lady won't deal with that one, make deal with that one by itself. If Jama First Lady won't even deal with that one, make it call Okada. They go tell her away for fair. That name, I don't want that dead body, and I don't want you to hear at all. And that one they boss my head.
If you see the way they carry
now that one they boss my head.
Because of the hatred when you just get for Monica, can you imagine? You know how many people bully Monica when everybody they watch, viewers, commenters, not higher. Be YouTuber comments, they insult her, but the woman resist her. Only one day.
Yeah.
When the woman don't
she chest her. She chest her. Monica they try. Monica, waiting Monica don't chest normally. Many presenters never chest her. Now only Monica they don't bully well for this Facebook. Sure. Now she.
The woman say na dey for the eat.
Nah.
You understand? Without the saga now, you know, okay, you imagine now they say issue will still happen. No, yesterday now Monica is still insult.
I know the tomorrow they watch that one.
They don't let the woman get peace.
I know the tomorrow they watch that one.
African German last lady now come still go for a trap when they fall we want to take star saga again when they want pay and
yeah Monica they find saga yeah I know Monica they find but na First Lady fair cause and it be not cause am more not true.
You just come out now you insult your husband mama you insult Monica husband mama.
Yeah, ma what you respect. Yeah, ma wakata one you respect. So everybody supposed to know. Yeah, katana.
Mama, it's not me. As you softly insult on that afternoon, Monica not come out. You don't insult her. Monica still come out in the evening. Come follow you appeal. Now you don't beg her. You still pay your live video. They insult Monica.
Yeah.
Mama, you say me they.
No, you don't know the trick. That they find saga. They won't do Monica saga. Now Monica. They won't get viewers because it's then they know they get viewers like that. They know they get money for YouTube because now viewer they say they get money for YouTube. So if they're not doing like that, they're not gonna get many viewers for YouTube. So I know what thing they do.
To be frank and sincere, the first person who carry this matter may insult in life. You know that now how many times. Once your love that insult her, you know face those one.
No, you know Monica now. You know mommy Monica. If Monica and person they do saga, the thing go trend well. So it go trend. So if you which person you want to go use do saga now? What's that time won't call? Those one not be person now. Monica,
because you know what,
it don't go trend.
All those YouTuber made they grow the code. They're not going to use those ones do saga.
No, because no, you know why they don't want to use the do saga. Make all those one not blow. They're not going to use that. Make all those one not going to get subscribers. They don't want to use the do saga. But they won't use Monica. Now make me see like Monica. Now make me see like a one kind. I like Monica well.
You want me? I know they quickly they comment for people video. But as African Drama last lady come and they insult Monica, your husband, mama, everybody. You know the worst part of it. People not come and yesterday come they call African First Lady. Say why you they insult this woman, mama? Now why they?
Why they go call? They not go call.
They say Monica.
Because anything what Monica do now because they
Mama, you want to tell me now say Monica now, it not be human being. Your husband mama not be human being.
That one na sure now.
If Monica let her they insult your husband mama. If na me being now suffer tranquilo. Because anything will make her bring the leg come out. Now your husband mama don't take the shine.
That one na sure because your husband mama this Facebook now that's people call they quarrel me. Facebook when husband mama day, when husband day, when in-law day. full family now they Facebook.
They say too much of everything is bad. For the truth, Monica talk yesterday, you as the husband go and work.
Now that one I see talk, I do video talking yesterday. Oh, I grown up man go your day, not they work. Even if Monica husband in not there with Monica for us, but at least he they work. That one I like him. I like as Monica and your husband your day. Now so me and my husband I want me to take. Now so we take day because you know if you come they fuck me every day, you come day house. I not like her. I like Monica's style.
Mama, you know what make me laugh? They say anything what they do, they put more effort. You know as they bully Monica, insult his papa, so they say papa sleep with her. How's they insult person rich? Now that one no more talk yesterday, they say papa sleep with her. Person don't still leave you. You know
all those one when we say they know they get proven. And they hate when we say situation they no proof. Now cause when me not come they too much they like all those one where they talk. Or proof not they.
Yesterday, this same thing. You know what you still talk yesterday?
Bini, you send me to the fine viewers. Viewers, I don't get viewers today. I be get 900 before. I dey get one. I don't get one. I don't get viewers today. So Monica matter they talk. I even get 300. When people they use and they get 2K. Why you cause no be ask me they fine? Okay. Now message I want you only for Monica. Now okay, if you are going to talk about Monica, I can't get 300. Monica will do the verse for me.
Mama, the thing is that I know she, because I watched that video today, the way in South Africa German lady.
Yeah.
If my person will get sense yesterday, as if he apologize finish. If for something use there, they say if I offend enough now for.
No, Mama, no. If he apologize like that they won't take get viewers for YouTube, make they take pay them. No, I know what they do. If you don't date this Facebook, if you know the YouTube, you don't know what they do. I know the trick.
Even the writer yesterday say, may forget this issue. You may beg finish. You won't even beg your husband, mama, in your door. Without no respect. We get they see things when they happen for social media.
Yeah, that's why some men. Now those kind of women, nice some men will see married tomorrow. They'll leave the one when he good, like us. When he good, they'll go they marry, don't get respect. And I want to they go see for instance, and I be that. When you are more there, I will slow poison or be your dog. Make they go they carry. They will carry your I don't know your dog.
Mama yesterday. Mama when they insult her, he said what did not call her yesterday? I was ashamed.
You know what they invest? Don't be say I hate the German first lady too. You know what they invest me for? What she they do? She they pretend before. She they pretend before.
No.
She they pretend before.
Okay, man, you see now. Only the people when they explain when they insult your husband, mama say one bring ilala paper for her. You see they tell me bring my bag, go bring my phone, go bring it for front of camera.
That one are not man. Many now because she with the camera. That one are not man. So now because I'm way beside the advice me yesterday say may they go walk. If man know they walk now, what even me warning him. May go walk.
Can you imagine say the one me Monica do your husband and mama? German lady now, you not go rest go one still come out. The more they put more insult for the woman.
No be insult, mama. May you forget now view their money they take. That one you say they do. That they pay them. Forget that, yo. No, your shame. Now money they take. Now people when they look at this video, they feel say that they insult themselves. Now money that they make it. Oh God, if you don't know. Now money.
Monica, they say happy for her yesterday night. This woman just did live video. They insult your husband, mama. Insult
now money. Oh, forget that thing. If German first lady come out now today, now or tomorrow, you'll see Monica will see come out for the next day. We are here. You go near and make. That is and they make money.
Can you imagine say we comment our viewers now? Now they want to fire well now for this issue because they find saga.
Who told you that you are a good girl?
Now live video on Monica on.
You say me not be good girl.
You get with your husband as a young couple, you dey go do saga.
You say me not be good girl.
When you first do saga that time, you not get you saga help. You not go use and start saga. That one blow YouTube now. People when they run come out, when they run come back.
Make they run come back ahead now. There was one day when they watch Monica for YouTube. Monica not reach. It was 600 for YouTube because she couldn't do no much. She not get viewers. I know what they do, Mama. Forget. I know what they do now. Now money that they make.
But you know what they make. Now the husband on the day YouTube. Now okay, you imagine how you go take forgive the woman. You know we just talk about this one. Now let him put fire for your house. Because if to say she won't use mama do saga Africa last lady, if you carry her own mother come out, not be your husband mama. If you carry her mother, now your husband mama and your husband. Your husband and they suffer this.
You not see waiting. I don't know if not they watch this thing. I watch where you listen to where this the last German first lady for talk say since when Monica they do this thing and since when this thing start say you know how many viewers or subscribers she don't get. When I hear that place, I hear okay. Now money, it's not that they like her. If you know they do, you know they get subscribers, you know they get viewers, you know they. Now people when they watch and they feel say okay this people they fight oh I pray oh why if they really they fight make they go do bass and goes normally make they go face to face now then you're written and fight not be fight now money the trick is money so take it or leave it.
You know what Monica said 90 they eat.
Monica yari right mommy Monica one yari right yeah you go Monica in office survey Monica will die you know see Monica you know what she called her when they say they verse me. She go they call that people when we say they do their live video. That even if they work, many people Igbo said that they work, they did this YouTube. That they work, that they get salary. But YouTube will still pay them. YouTube will still pay them. That one are normal. You feel get money for any place. But Monica when be say she they use the money for you to take the feed. She not get any other work. She not the eat pension. She of course they call people hungry people. Monica, you too na hungry person, okay? Because you know they come up for YouTube from Monday till Sunday ever way. So you too na hungry person.
I tell you see that those one when Monica they talk so well. Now be the sauce and the stew when they cooking.
Yeah.
Now be the sauce and the stew when they cooking. That they come out for live, they say now they eat.
Yeah.
You understand? But you know when they talk and you don't be feeling. But to listen, that woman may want to involve the husband mama. But the worst part
the husband mama, which husband mama, the German first lady.
German first lady.
The woman already involved now. The woman don't no go in let them live video. E ma ba me have the day nothing. Me only answer the beer. Can maybe the day we go on have a live video. At this time and now they don't want a live video. I just tired. You only answer the beer.
And everybody may Africa German first lady talk to man. Your husband mama don't.
Now the cost you see because that one don't bring yourself. That only man live video now. In ya got your bonnet. How can they like that? Person when he born person when he does the fuck person, you can't go the live video. All this so I the date all this one the he respected me. So why person no come they insult them? Why you know when I first see that woman say she dey now you won't call live video. Live they will be saying anything that they go even if they don't know you, mama. Even if they don't know you, now this level they will say. They'll go, they find your people, they'll go, they insult you, they'll go insult your family, insult your generation. Our Monica, now in mama grave, they go brief for village. No, talk of you when you come by yourself, come they blow her. And they go, they blow her. Only, me the verse of that woman normally. Me one more way. Forget that thing.
The only two person will be say, I don't like, and I wish if they feel come out. I don't wish anybody made the enter us. You understand? Now just that mommy love and Avielele, that two people, I don't know why.
Now you want me to task?
I know you like them because why I don't like them. That one, if you they bully you, go find you reach your village, go.
What lady was a village?
She says only that one, as if they do that one, reach no viewers. If they use Monica, cosa, no level. Even your viewers go many passing. No, we embrace peace. Since they say they know embrace peace.
No, peace. You forget. If peace day, mama. No, all those pretending one. No, they like. If peace day, they no will get money for YouTube. They no will get viewers. They no will get nothing. So make your be. Make we enjoy like that. Make we your day like that.
I'm not chase the rest people for YouTube. You just only waiting Monica. You never. People even they call you for live video. So God say may forget the issue. As you need beg your husband mama finish, no. You want to beg user. You not let the woman even take the may forgive and finish. Okay.
No, that Jama, may I leave you because this you go why you say now 20 minutes. Which minutes has I been want to do just now? Make I leave me I quit do 5 minutes more. Make I drop the video. No, that one for peace. So thank you very much, ma. Thank you. God bless you. God bless you. Some of that time will come. And imagine that in winner rena yahina. He also lobo.
You can't you, my sister.
In winner. Hey, Jesus, don't for God forbid them. That one, when me, I do 5 minutes, make I drop on. When that one when they say peace, no, I beg, I'll call it now. Me, I'll come and now me, I'll call they preach peace. I pray me, I preach peace, peace, make peace. He not go there if he there. People when they use and they eat. If you even though they say all of us now hungry people, yes, no problem. No, we agree. A problem error. We be hungry people, but God not the one we not be hungry people. We not the hungry normally. We be say everywhere feel good. The one way not the one when the government has and the one when not the government has not be the same. The one when not they work and the one when they work not be the same. The one when the husband they work and the one when the husband not they work, when we say 24 hours not be the same. So nine be that one. So YouTube or Igbo too they do or Igbo they work. That they work. See, I know the verse say that they if they pay, hey, I want me to see pay me. Me that they pay me if not all, no problem. This life, you want your baggy so. Now if Monica they work another way they join you. Find me money they come, money need to they come, money no need to they come from one place. So no, that's why Igbo too they do live video, that they do YouTube, that you know that they pay them too. Not be only you. So not be only black. If you get better content, they pay you. They will have the viewer, you know. So money go they come for you, they work. That's why I want me that even if I they work, I see work yours now. I'll say they do my live video. If they, even if na 50 euro na money, 10 euro na money. So now be the thing when we say gonna invest me, when we say they don't want just work again, they all depend on her. Do like Monica will say hungry people. Monica not talk that one again. Because you two now hungry person. No, if they call me hungry person, me I'll call they call you hungry person too. Because where have a live video re? Monday is Sunday where some people they now weekend like me, like people like us weekend now they normally if not be say because the drink, because the bellies when I see for your video, now make me come quick drop this video. You know, I don't come for they do test today. I the dog go post my waist trainer to people. I don't say go collect money today. You know. So I get all that thing when they do, but because the bail is me if you're not peace for us again today, now it make me say me I quit drop this short video. Not be say I they do video normal day. Me never where you want because okay where you want you can go peace for us. So now they call people hungry people, having hungry people on social media, having hungry people on YouTube. They bring their suffer couple for YouTube. You they add yourself the journal. Where got you go? Monica, you so no son me. If you not do saga, make una know the talk say make peace. If peace reign, except you want me money cannot eat again. You want me money cannot buy makeup again. You want me money cannot buy AliExpress again. Our AliExpress no then you a piece a waro a Monica there. Me go ya doy. So forget that thing. If those when you see the feel say na quarrel that they fight, now fight that they fight for Facebook. When you never see no say na money that they make, now you be the fool. Yes, now you be the fool normally. The fight, then when you already see fight for this face, now then when they go see face to face like this, they go fight. Now that day, now don't want be the real fight. Without that one, forget. You forget all is money on viewers YouTube. If German First Lady and Monica, they go see yours now for party anywhere, they go greet each other. Lord there, Amsterdam there, Netherlands there, Monica there. When they don't, you see the one when they go to your house, go fight. You don't see fight. Una no, they don't know what they're not fighty. No, know the cocoa. You don't know the cocoa. Now they tell this for all these beneath people, all these people they fight, they disgrace themselves. The disgrace when we say they bring money for you, you're the disgrace yourself more. The disgrace when they bring money for you, you go they disgrace yourself more. The disgrace when they disgrace yourself, if they put money for their pocket. Now let you know they put money for your pocket. Do you get that? So when they talk say na fight, they know they fight. Because if they see each other now, they will kiss each other, they will hug each other. If this one come out for this one, come out for this one. If they're not doing like that, how they want to see viewers? How they want to pay? Now you say me they take pay them now. How? So now game I bear I'm they follow up like that. Peace no, if peace reign, people go hungry. If peace reign, people no go buy makeup. So I beg, make una you leave that one. I just go beg una. Yes. And you know the one when we say they know they do Omo Bini. He say all the supposed to they give commenters and viewers small cuts. Yes, so they supposed to they give una corner they make they pay them. The viewers una contribute now una. They supposed to they give una cut. You know, so they give una cocoa beer every, you know, they all do cold beer for Omo, cold beer for who again there. You know, one cocoa beer, cold beer or shield one. So they give everybody cold beer. You go your cold. You know, because now they contribute. Yeah, the viewers, whether some comment bad or some comment good though. Now because they know they all everybody is all of una be good person sometimes. We are for good. Even the one we say they comment bad, we are there for good. Now we are be say the thing act or waiting that they pay them. No one be bad, no one be evil. I'm not consider the word because when I see they support in one way or the other, when I see they help people, it good. It good. So make una not take as fight, not be fight. The day when I will see real fight, I will know. The day when real fight go there this Facebook, I will know. The day when the real fight go there, the bass and boss go there, that day we will know. Up till now, fight not there. Nobody they fight, nobody hate each other. Now so your be now so we will take make am. Now so we will take the house when we not build for since the year 17 years. Monica Kerene will be 18 years. YouTube when YouTube na mana mio. When YouTube na mana the moto. When YouTube na mana bowa. So forget that thing. The YouTube when you're done old mama old papa come dey come now you for say not go there not fucking now you go there though when YouTube na me here no I like it or not. So if they feel say na quarrel na you dey take as quarrel me as for me no say no be quarrel. Okay, in winere ehent do rime when me dey na. So thank you guys, share the video. God bless you, love you, see you weekend, bye. In winner to the when area in winner is a bye bye, love you all. In winner to your boom.